you doing? Here we are at Art Home Solutions. We're doing another quality job install today. We got a hickory colored shingle going on. What's different about Art Home Solutions? We really try to consult for the homeowners, to educate them, get them aware of what's going on with their roof. You can go out and get multiple estimates and bids and all that wonderful things, but sometimes not every homeowner is getting consulted with or kind of educated on some of the materials.
We really got to know Art Home Solutions and their staff. We had other projects that we needed to have done as well in addition to the roof, so we needed to have our chimney redone inside and out, and because that involved the roof area as well, we trusted Art Home Solutions to do that and to put that together as one big package. It's been great having to work with only one company on so many of these projects.
What made our services and products stand out from other competitors?
It was the fact that the explanation was given to you of how the services would be done and the discounts that were offered.
What would you guys give us out of 1 out of 5 in terms of our overall rating?
Overall, 5.
Oh, awesome, great. And in terms of communications, how would you guys feel about that?
6.
A 6, all right, well, that's even better.
Well, your company picks up all the trash. We couldn't even find a nail in the grass, which is unbelievable. You do attention to detail. You guys do like perfect. Everything's like perfect.
The company has been outstanding. We would recommend Art Home Solution hands down. Saw the process, we saw the product, and we were impressed. We appreciate Art Home Solution and the whole team.